Well, I'm not sure if you remember that survival bow. You have seen me probably in the past using it. I have it for like 10 years or so here in my homemade Howard Hill quiver. It fits perfectly. Basically, I have designed this quiver to fit this bow, and I prefer usually to use my wooden bows because of the feeling and everything. But this one is always in my car. It's very fast to set up. It's a longbow style bow, and just need to be sure. Sorry for the background noise. Hope it's picking up pretty well with the microphone. Setup is really fast and easy. You have fiberglass limbs, and here you have the bow. Now, this bow has a window that is pretty close to the center, and I'm sorry, I have hurt my biceps, so sometimes when I pull it, or I cannot draw it further than that. This is a 55 pounds bow, and I have been able, because they are not available in the US anymore, I have been able to secure some, and will start ordering them. So if you're interested, for my subscribers on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, I offer them for 219 Swiss francs plus shipping. So I need to group the order to have it arrive in Switzerland. Now, for this bow, as I've said, you have the choice between 35 pounds or 55 pounds. 55, especially with my draw, I go up to 61 pounds actually with this one. Um, so very nice bow. I love it. It's a bit different from the kind of bows you may shoot usually, but you have pretty much a close shooting sensation as with any long bows. I usually shoot recurves. So here, the only difference I've seen so far, and I will receive the first one in a few weeks, so I will be able to compare, is basically the cutouts in those spaces here, which will remove some weight. And the only addition I do is usually make leather handle, especially when shooting in the cold. So very nice bow. If you're interested, I will drop the link for a Google form so that I can contact you back and set up everything. So let me know what you think about those bows. I think having a bow like this in your car at any time is kind of a great thing to have because of most laws. And if, like me in Switzerland, you are pretty limited in what you are allowed to carry. So it's not the thing you will wonder about with, just the bow and the arrows sticking out of your back. But it's a great way to have something with you always available in your car, be it for some practice or survival purposes. You can have like 3 takedown arrows to go doing a survival period in the woods. You can secure food. You can just train, and for ADHD people like me, you can just train your focus. And this is a great thing. I can shoot very precise here. I'm not in a place I can shoot right now, so I will not do a demonstration of it right now. Also, something to know: the string you have seen here, I have added my own silencers on the string, so it doesn't come with. Um, and yeah, if you're interested, go take a look. If I have questions, you can contact me using the email address you will see perhaps, let's say, here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and even share if you want to. And of course, please comment because it helps a lot with the algorithm. Also, don't forget to click the little bell if you are not a subscriber so far, so that it helps my videos to come to you. And I thank you in advance for your time and see you very soon. Bye bye.